Fridge. Once I went to the fridge and there's no one in. No telly, no one laughing, no jokes, no murderers and mad dog stuff. Saw our jug in there and I thought, when I open the door, I shove it really hard and fast and it bangs against the wall really loud. So the door handle made a great big hole in the fridge. Finger in, lick it, tastes nice. Lift the murderers and mad dogs and drink a bit. The woman opposite was watching me. She looked like she had never seen anything in all her life. I put my face behind the woman opposite and I fiddle little rattly noises with the woman opposite. I put my ass behind the woman opposite. Fantastic. When she came over after tea, we played it. Oh, this is good. This is thick cooking oil. Yes, here we go again. You can't catch me. I'm the thick cooking oil. Holding the thick cooking oil up to my face, tipping it into my mouth. I was drinking my mouth. Sometimes my mum and dad used to go to bed. This meant that my brother used to keel over and die. You'd hear the speedy hamburger going down behind you. Dad said, waste of money. Mum said, fuck you! Fan has opened her fridge. Oh no, this is horrible! Mervyn, if I hear about your fridges once more, I shall give them to the ducks. Oh no, this is horrible. Oh no, this is thick cooking oil. Thick cooking oil. Fun in my mouth. Thick cooking oil. In May's mouth.